Good morning, sun, it's time to rise. Open up your sleepy eyes. Stretch up high and touch the sky. Wave the moon and stars goodbye. Make the bed so neat and tight. Pull the blanket nice and right. Fluffy pillow sheets all clean. Prettiest bed you've ever seen. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Keep them shiny underneath. Up and down and round and bright. Happy smiles are clean and white. Splash your face with water cool. Clean and fresh before school. Wipe it softly, nose and chin. Now your happy day begins. Comb your hair so nice and neat. Ready now from head to feet. No more messy, sleepy hair. Looking smart everywhere. Put your shirt and sneakers on. Morning race is almost done. Jump around and clap with cheer. School time fun is getting near. Healthy breakfast gives us power. Milk and fruit for every hour. Crunchy toast and bananas sweet. Yummy, yummy, healthy treat. Pack your bag and grab your shoes. Pick the things you want to use. Books and crayons packed just right. Now your smile is big and bright. Good morning, hooray! Let's start the day. Brush and clean and smile so bright. Healthy habits feel so right.